In this video, you'll learn how to stay in control of your punch list of open issues or deficiencies and notify your subcontractors about items they need to fix or finish. Deficiencies are the issues on your punch list, and you can identify them, notify your subcontractors, manage due dates, and close them out all inside the FTQ360 app. Let's start with using the dashboard to manage open items. From the main menu, press Dashboard and select Priority Deficiency Dashboard. You can manage your punch list from this screen. Select the project from the filters at the top of the screen, and the dashboard will show you how many deficiencies are past due, ready for reinspect, and coming up. Scroll down to view the deficiency list. You have a lot of information here about each item, including the checkpoint description, any notes you wrote during the inspection, the assigned responsible party, and the due date. To close out a deficiency, update the status of the checkpoint from open to fixed. This will remove it from the list. Another way is to go to the inspection by clicking the deficiency description. This will open the original inspection. If you're in the field, this is an opportunity to take a picture of the corrected item and then press Fixed to close it. Fixed issues are no longer on the punch list. If you have a group of deficiencies to close out, you can make a mass update all at once on the dashboard. Select the deficiencies from the grid, then select the status filter from the yellow action ribbon. Click Fixed, and all the selected items will update at once. This is a great tool to use to quickly close out a lot of items on your punch list. You can also view a list of recent deficiencies and a history of open and fixed deficiencies in the archive. To view the list, go to Inspections, View Recent Deficiencies 1000. This will open a grid of recent deficiencies where each line is a separate issue. Use the Project Filter button to select a specific project and the search field to further refine the results. In this case, we're selecting Ashley Acres Estates in Lot 1001. The grid shows you the inspection the item is on, the date it was created, the date fixed, the status, any notes, the responsible party, and the project and the location. You can sort the grid by clicking the column headers. You have access to an archive of fixed and open items at Inspections All Deficiencies List Archive. Here you can filter the grid by entering keywords in the search fields below the appropriate column headers. In this case, I'm going to search for all deficiencies in Ashley Acres, Lot 1001. If I type OPN in the status field, I can filter the grid to show only the open issues in Ashley Acres. Next, scroll down to the download icon and I can export the filtered grid to Excel. When I open the spreadsheet, I now have an exported list of all the open items for Ashley Acres Estates, Lot 1001. Your responsible parties can automatically receive follow-up emails about their open issues. Every week, they get a punch list report of all open issues from all inspections. The report highlights the inspections and then shows each open item complete with pictures and notes. This report keeps everyone informed. Whenever a subcontractor is late, they get a special overdue issues report emailed directly to them. The reminder lists only overdue items. You get the same information for your projects emailed directly to you. Not only does nothing slip through, the follow-up is automated so you can concentrate on working in the field with your responsible parties instead of working on your computer.